Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlet with Scarlet's Little Crafty Corner, and today I have got two unboxings. Now, before I get into this, I just want to say thank you to all my returning subscribers. I appreciate each and every one of you who keep coming back and watching my video, commenting, and giving me thumbs ups. I totally appreciate it. And welcome to all of my new subscribers. And I appreciate you too, and I hope that you stick around. So I hope everyone had a great holiday, a happy new year, and all that good stuff. So I have got two Diamond Dot kits that I got from Walmart. This one I actually got on clearance right after Christmas, and this one I guess is one of their new ones, but they are both Diamond Dots, and this one says new dotting tools. So I'm kind of, well, this one does too. I didn't see that, but they're special editions is what the box says, and they've got three new placers, all it looks like. So, they're both going to be 30 by 40s. So, yeah, let's go ahead and get this one open and we'll look at it. But I have gotten to where when I go to Walmart, y'all, I go to the clearance section every time I go to Walmart. Can't help it. Not that I always get anything or find anything, because I don't. But when they have their Diamond Dots on clearance, I usually try to get one. If it's something that, catches my eye. So, we'll just look at that in a minute. So, let's look and see what this black bear, isn't that what it's called? No, Mother and Cub is what it's called. And I love, love, love Diamond Dot, y'all. And this has got a very soft canvas. Feels like felt. And you can see that the edges are scalloped and serged. So that helps with fraying. So it is a partial. And then this is just the instructions on how to diamond paint. Okay, so I'm going to row this backwards. And no, this ain't no 30 by 40, my bad. It's going to be a 33 by 38 fabric size, but drill size or design size is a 25 by 30 centimeters. Pretty stiff. And they are poured glue. So this is the image. I think it's really cute. I don't know why they would have this on clearance. It's not Christmassy. So I don't know, I'm not sure why this was on clearance, but it was. And this was the only one they had on clearance. And there was like 3 cases of them on clearance. So it looks like it has got 32 colors. And with Diamond Dots, they have their own code, their own DMC code. But there are charts out there that you can print or download or whatever that will flip a Diamond Dot chart over to DMC chart. That way you know what your colors are. But it's very pretty. Very sticky. But you can see you're going to be diamond painting the great big bear, the little baby bear, and all of this. So the only thing you're not going to be doing is just this right here. That's it. And of course, most Diamond Dots, all Diamond Dots that I know of, I'm not going to say, well, I'm not going to say all because I don't know. I'm not for sure. But all the Diamond Dots I've ever done, they always have this border, which I love the border. A lot of people hate it. I love it because there's no glue there. So you don't have to put washi. But if you do, when you take it off, it looks like it's already picture frame. I like it. I like the border. All right, so let's look at these drills. Y'all, I've been using my new, or well, not my new phone. I've had this phone for probably 3 years, 2 years, 3 years, maybe longer. I don't know. But I've never done videos with this phone, so I don't even know if I'm videoing or not. For all I know, I'm not doing nothing. I don't know. So I guess I'll find out when I play this back. All right, so I guess their new improved toolkit is actually, I don't like it. I like the other kit better. So anyway, you get a regular single placer pen. You get a gray boat, clear pink wax, or a square of see-through pink wax, which I hate that wax. An orange squishy. You get a straightener. Looks like a 2 or 3 placer, and I bet that's a 3 placer and that's a 5 placer. So no bags or nothing like that. So, all right. So I don't know if this has got any specials in it or not. We'll find out. So here are the colors. And again, it is round. I like it. I think it's pretty. It's springy looking to me. Like I said, I don't know why they had it on clearance. Well, somebody just messed up at the store and accidentally stuck them on clearance. I don't know. But like I said, there's like 3 cases of them sitting in the clearance aisle, and all of them had a yellow clearance sticker on them. I love that purple. So, yeah, I snatched one up. And then I went over to the craft aisle and was looking over there. Yeah, they don't have any ABs in this. And that's okay. But I went over to the craft aisle and was looking over there thinking, you know, because sometimes, I don't know about y'all's Walmart, but our Walmart, sometimes they'll have clearance in the aisles. So I went over just to make sure, because I was like, well, if they've got 3 cases of these over here, surely they didn't sell everything. So I went over there just to see, and that's when I seen these others on the end cap. All the Christmas ones were gone. So, and I just got these just within this week. So, yeah, I don't know. Maybe they sold all the Christmas ones. Like, somebody come and snatched them all up. I don't know. So, what do y'all think about this one? It's pretty clear. Pretty clear. I like it. So, there's that one. But this one is summery, you know. And it was regular price. So I bought this one. It was $7 on clearance. And then this one was $9.98. So, yeah, I don't know why that was on clearance. If it had been Christmas, I could have seen, or a winter scene, but that's not. It looks like a spring day. All right. So here is this one. And y'all, I don't have very many beachy kits. But I seen this one and I got it just because, you know, back in the summer, I went to Tybee Island in Georgia, in Savannah, Georgia, with my cousin and a couple of our friends. So I was like, oh, that kind of puts me in mind of that. So that's why I got this one. So again, they are poured glue. And this looks like a full drill. It is. It's a full drill. Alright, so this is a beach scene. And you see they've got the two big starfish shells. And then they've got the regular shells, the water, and the sand. And it has 27 colors. And it is a design size is a 36 by 27, but the fabric is a 44 by 35. And I didn't look. Let's see, image produced under license from 123something.com on the bear. And this one is from Shutterstock. So, and I know that you can go to this .com, the shutterstock.com, and you can get a bunch of, like if you wanted to put, like a GIF or something, or whatever that is, GIF, whatever, you can get those from there. Some are free, some you got to pay for. Good stick. And you can see it has that big border around the edges. I like it. I like the border. But it has the schematic on the left and on the right. And yeah, I don't, you know, I love Diamond Dots. I do. I like Diamond Dots about that much better than Diamond Art Club. I really do. They've got great quality. I've never had an issue with anything that I have purchased from Diamond Dots. I never have. They're very consistent. Alright, so with this one, you get the same thing in your toolkit, which is a single placer pen, that see-through pink wax, gray boat. You've got a 5-placer, 3-placer, squishy, and then you get a straightener in there. So, and I don't think, yeah, we do have an AB in here. I'm not sure how to tell Diamond Dot's ABs. I'm not sure about their thing. So we have all these different colors of greens and blues and browns and pinks. Ocean type colors. Beach scene colors. Very, 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 very pretty. So again, I don't know if I said it in this video or if I said it in my last video. There's the AB. It's just the white AB. Probably 5200. Probably what it is. But Diamond Dots, not everybody has an issue, but I've had issue with Diamond Dots having a lot of static in their drills. If you come across that, all you got to do is poke some hose in the bags, which will help with static. Or you can cut up some dryer sheets and stick them in your containers with your drills, and then just do some shaky shapes. And oh my gosh, that was horrible. Putting those back in there like that. And the static will come out of your drills. So yeah. So these are the two that I got at Walmart. So what do y'all think about these? Which one do you like most? And has anybody else seen this one on clearance at their Walmart? Or maybe it was just a fluke at my Walmart. Oh, and this one's called Crystal Shore. That's what it's called. Very pretty. Very, very pretty. All right, y'all. So that is what I have from Diamond Dots from my local Walmart. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a like. Give me a comment. I enjoy reading your comments. I always comment back. And again, I hope everyone had a great Christmas, a happy new year, and I hope that this year goes well for everyone. And until my next video, I will see you all later. Bye, y'all.